and welcome to Pink Poodle 2. I am Pink Poodle. There is Maisie, the East End Poodle, and the West End Poodle Priscilla. And I'm not a complete Pink Poodle today, as you can see, because I'm in the midst of dyeing my hair and my Occultbox came, so I wanted to share my box with you. Now, Occultbox is an alternative subscription box, and I've been getting this box roughly for a year now because it started last year. And the first one I ever got was the oh yes, excuse me, I've got no makeup on either, sorry, so I look a bit weird, I know. Was the Halloween box, and I absolutely loved it, and I subscribed ever since. And then it was just like a monthly box, then it turned into, you could have a one-off or you could have a subscription, and if you, it's £27, but I think if you subscribe it's 25. Not sure, can't remember, I think that's what it is. But I absolutely love it, and I really want to support UK businesses, especially small business like the Occultbox. Is run by a lovely lady and her husband, Misha and Carl, and they're really lovely. So, should we get into this month's one? It's called An Autumn Day, and it's come like this. Got it in the post today, well earlier on today. This is it. And there was a little thing on top that said my name on it, and this is something they've done, which is so lovely of them. And there's a little message, so I'm not going to read it out because that's personal for me. But look, they did a little pink poodle for me. I was so happy because I've been feeling quite down recently because of the news about Dora and just other stuff going on. And this, oh, sugar, this is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to be putting it at the back there above Maisie so you can see it all the time. I love it, and this means so much to me, it really does. So yeah, so I feel very blessed to have got that, I really do. So I am burning on my altar at the moment, which is cursed, which I did get off of the Occultbox, what do you call it, cone, and it smells really lovely. So, is he coming up? Is he coming up? You gonna come say hello? This is Billy Bum Bum. If you don't know, Billy Bum Bum is one of my poodles. He's the male poodle, but he looks like a mop top at the moment because I'm doing their clip, but I'm not doing their top bits because I don't want to spoil it. I normally have it in a ponytail, but I'll let him have a day off with a ponytail. And here's Dora. You gonna come say hello, Dora? Oh, I think you get up. Hello, say hello to everybody. Say hello. Yes, hello. Hello. So Dora's doing as well as she can be. So anyway, it's got with spots because I'm excited. So there's orange. They always match everything. They really do think about this. This is cool because I can use this in other things. I can use this in other things, so I'm really like pleased about that. I like to think. Then we've got some really lovely little leaves. So these are very autumn leaves, and I can make a little corsage out of it for autumn if I wanted to, which I probably will actually. I'll probably have it for autumn or something, make a little brooch or something. Now I remember one time when I was, a long time ago, my children were quite small. In fact, they were very small at the time, and I was sitting on the what do you call it? I can't think what they call it now. Bus stop seats, and I was waiting for the bus stop, and it was, I think it was early in the morning because I used to work full time. I used to have to travel, so I had to leave my house at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I was sitting at the bus stop, and all of a sudden this leaf came flying into my lap, and I kind of really felt this leaf. So I took the leaf and I had it in my office for a very long time, and then when I left I took it, and I don't know where it went, but this leaf, it was just like a brown leaf, and I really did, I don't know, for some reason I like this leaf. So this is really nice, and I really like this a lot, so I shall make something out of that. Then we have pumpkin spice. There you go, you can see it better now. No, put it back there. So this is pumpkin spice, inspired by the popular coffee shops make a seasonal pumpkin spiced latte. So there's that. So we should be able to look at it. So I haven't opened it. I've just seen that bit on top, and that was it. And this is, sniff of it and see what it's like. So I'm sorry, my eyebrows don't look their normal pink self or anything at the moment because I'm. Oh, that smells nice. Sorry. Oh, that's really nice. There's nutmeg and clove in it. What's in it? Oh, I can see it now. It says cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger and cloves. That's really nice. I will let you know in the video if I probably will like this quite a lot. Nice like hot milk, bit of coffee on the top. Lovely. We love some of that. And then there's the trees are, what's it say? Trees are about to show it's how lovely it is. Let things go. And it's Maybon Blessings, and that was this month was Maybon. So this is a really nice card as well. This is a nice thing to wrap up at the back there as well. Quite like that because I like all the leaves colours. So it was Maybon in this month, and I can't remember what it is starting tomorrow because it's full moon tonight. So this is on the 30th of September, so that's a full moon. Then we have a little organza bag. And I think that these boxes are well thought out. I absolutely love this box. And oh, look at this, is really cute. And I love my witch casket box as well because they're small businesses and they're run and they're really well thought out. This is really nice. Let's put her on, shall we? Because it would be rude for me not to wear it. I don't think Poodle Paws are very pleasing me burning that, but I don't really care because I don't care. It smells nice. I think we've got a like an oil by the same name, and it smells like this, and it's really nice. From, I can't remember which one it was. It might have been a pump. Oh, come on, my won't come out. Halloween in Summer box. There you go. There she's on my neck, so she looks really pretty. Like that. That's another thing I like. I always like everything. Got a lollipop which I'll give to Paul because it's got a little thing on it. So I did that to Paul, I think. He'll like that. Then we've got this really lovely glass. Right. I think this goes on the altar, which I'll put this on my altar anyway. It's like a coaster type tree of life, so I should be putting that over on my altar over there. So I really like that. I like it's mirrored as well. I should put that over there. That's really nice. That's really cute. Over these bits. Then we've got some pegs that look like wooden leaves, which will also be going at the back. You'll be seeing all these scattered throughout the backdrop. So they're really cute. I like those. I like the colours. I really do like the colours of autumn. And then we have a pair of socks with lots of straw, which is really good because it's not their worms, it's something different. And you can make something from this strawy stuff as well. You can use it in the crafts. So these is nice little maple leaf socks. But I won't be able to wear these because of my lymphedema, so I will give these to my daughter Jessie because she does love a sock, and she'll probably share it with my partner Billy because she also loves a sock, but they like to wear odd socks for some reason. So these will be going to a really nice place. Then we've got a little acorn, and it's got, I love the way it's got these little, also these little tags that are very autumnish. This is really pretty. So I'm going to probably put that on the back there somewhere. I really like this. I just think these boxes are just well thought out, you know. Then we have two little tea lights. One is like a daisy colour and one is a reddish colour, and they're like little tea lights. It's really nice. Could always do the candle. And then there is a Yankee Candle that says apple pumpkin. Oh, that smells really lovely. I like the smell of that. I should actually burn that in my, I think, in the pumpkin that we got up there. There's a pumpkin up there, can you see it? I think I might have to go in now. Oh, there's that. Then we've got, what we've got in here? Oh wow, what's this? Then we've got this, which is a chalkboard. Let's undo this first. Get it all undone. Can't undo it. Sorry everyone. I'm getting straw everywhere. It's alright, because I can get the hoover out. Oops, there goes a bit of chalk. My chalk has gone for a ball of chalk, and that is slang for walk. Oh god. Oh, there you go. Whoopsie daisy. So this is really nice. It says Halloween is coming in, and it's got a piece of chalk there. Oh, my chalk's broken in half, that's why it's got two bits. Oh, I see. It's also it's Halloween in 31 days tomorrow, so we can put 31. So that's tomorrow. So that's really nice. I'm going to put that there. I don't want to lose that. And then we have this little thing here. I think this must be the artist of the month, because they have one artist. I do love their corresponding bags, like they either have the Beetlejuice bags, as we call them, or these ones, which are really cool. And just everything is just so thought out. It's just so lovely. I'm a big fan of them, as you know. So opening my birthday presents or Christmas presents. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is nice. Pumpkin soup. And on the back it says whimsical gothic illustrations by Alton Simmons Nest. Pumpkin soup is the perfect for this year. Comforting and healing, healthy too. So that's really good print, that. I like that. I like all the leaves, like I said to you, I like them colours. So there's a couple of other things in here as well. And we've got a dog barking. Of course we have a dog barking. There's no one, I don't know why he's barking. He just likes to bark with very quick. Can you hear Dora barking? Dora's gone back to her barking again, so that's really good. And then there's a Richie and a pumpkin keyring, which is really nice because it's double sided. And we've got a pin, which is another. These are all Summer's Nest. There's a little witch. Quite like that. So you know, got the full moon and you've got the witch. That on there and there, so that's really nice. And last but not least, oh, we have a sticker that says pumpkin spice everything. Missed that. Anything else? And then this is really weird because me and Max from All Kinds of Everything were actually talking about this the other day, and she said to me about Santa Pablo wood, that you burn it and it's got a fragrance. It really does smell nice, and it's good for sort of like negative energy or whatever it's for. It says Palo Santo wood incense, and this I can't see because I've got no glasses. It says, I have no idea what it says because I can't read it. I can't read it, but it's got a little wooden thing there. It's all tied up with like jute, and it smells really lovely. So yeah, we was talking about this the other day, and I was going to buy some off of eBay, so I have to get a smudging stick as well. just to, I've got, if you see all this, it's all like the hay stuff, the wood shavings all over the shop. So in the box this month we got the necklace, the wood, which is really nice. Look in here. We got a pin. Let me put this over here next to the box. We got a keyring. Well, I keep forgetting what that's called. I don't know. A beautiful print, which I really do like, and you'll be seeing that at the back. So I'm going to put all this up after I finish filming. We've got a to Halloween. We've got a really lovely little acorn that sparkles, which really does a good appeal to me. I'll put it on there. Let me see. We've got a pair of socks with a lovely little maple leaf on. I get hold of all this stuff. We've got some lovely little clips that have got like pegs on, and they're wooden, so that's really nice. We've got a couple of tea lights that are like daisies or whatever. We've got a Yankee Candle. We've got this beautiful, beautiful coaster Tree of Life. You know, it's going on my altar, which I can't put in here at the moment. Oh, crackerjack. Got this lovely postcard type thing, which I really love. That'll be going at the back as well. We've got the pumpkin spice, the lollipop, and these beautiful leaves that I'm going to make into a brooch. So, and of course my pink poodle thing, which is like especially for myself. But this is all what was in the September autumn, what was it called? What do they call it? Oh, I've forgotten, my brain doesn't work. Oh, an autumn's day from the Occultbox. There's so much I can't hold it, so I'm going to put it all down now because there's just so much of it. But yeah, so this is really a lovely filled box with lots of stuff in it, and I'm going to put it all down because I don't want it to fall down. As the candle goes. Thank you for joining this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a pause up. Even if you didn't enjoy it, please give me a pause down, and please let me know why, and maybe I can improve on whatever you think is wrong. I hope everybody stays safe and well, and thank you once again, Misha and Carl, for that beautiful little pink poodle thing. That is so wonderful. I am so grateful, and I will see you in the next pink poodle too. And always remember, it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Until next time on Pink Poodle 2. And if I don't speak to you before, enjoy your Halloween. And it's the full moon tomorrow night at 5:10 tomorrow night. It's the full moon, if anybody's interested in that. Don't know why I said that, but it is. Alright, take care guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.